Hi and Assalamualaikum. We have 4 members including me, which is SHANELL, HAZIQ, ELLIANA and ADIB. We are assigned to create a main program of our own. The program we are doing is an eSport registration system. Our program consists of 4 classes, which are 1 superclass, 2 subclass and an application class.
So we will start with superclass. We name our superclass as info.java. We use abstract keyword to show that this class is abstract or incomplete. We use a normal constructor and also a mutator method to set a value of a private field. Next, we use an assessor method to return the value. Lastly, we use toString method to return a string representation of the object attributes.
Next is subclass. We have 2 subclasses, which is participant class and teacher class. This class is participant class. We use the extends keyword to show that this is the subclass to the superclass. As you can see, we use a normal constructor, a mutator method, an assessor method, and toString method. As for our constructor, you can see that we use super email password to call the normal constructor from our superclass. Same goes for our mutator method. We use super.setInfo to call the setter method from the superclass. Moreover, we use super.toString to call the toString method from the superclass. The next class is organizer class. We will be doing the same thing we did from our previous class, which is participant class. This class also consists of a constructor, mutator, assessor, and also toString method. To add, we use the this keyword in our constructor and also setter method as a reference to the current object whose method is being invoked. We also use the this keyword for participant class as well. This will be our application class, which is esportsystem.java. We use the import keyword to import built-in and user-defined packages into our Java source file. We will apply polymorphism into our main program. As you can see, we define an array of 2 objects and the data type of the array is the superclass info. There are 2 of the objects in array refer to the subclass participant. Furthermore, we will be using a for loop to loop the program to the number of our array. Next, we initiate integer z to integer.parseInt function, which is used in parsing a string method argument into an integer object. We also use a wrapper method here from string A to string F. Next, we use a casting method which is participant temp equal participant player I. And when you type 2 for organizer, you will see that we use wrapper method same as the above. Lastly, we call the toString method from the subclass, which is the participant class, to retrieve data from the subclass and display it by using j option pen.show message dialog.
So here we will be demonstrating how the program works. It will display a message dialog to welcome whoever enter our system. When you press OK, it will ask to input either 1 for participant or 2 for organizer. So here we will input 1. Here shows that you have to sign up to register to be a player. Here we enter the email. Next, enter password. You will have to enter your name as well. IC number, and also your gender. And it will display that you have already registered. So here we will input 2 players, so I will add another player again, the same as what I did just now. Next, we will enter 2 for organizer. Here you will have to log in by entering email and password. To get the participants information, you will have to enter the participant email that just registered just now. After we type, there will be a message display which says please wait. The system is finding information. Then when you press OK, the program will display the player's information, which is their email, password, full name, age, IC number, and their gender. Next, we will enter another player email. And now we wait for the system to find the information, and it will show another player information. That will be all from us. Thank you.